How to add profile to Netflix on your Android device. Open the app drawer on your device and tap the Netflix app. Make sure sign in with your account. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap the name or profile. Now here you can see manage profile option or add profile. Tap on a plus icon to create a new profile on your Netflix account. Here you can enter the name. Here we enter any name you want to set your profile. Toggle on the button if you want to use children's profile on Netflix made for children 12 and under. When complete, tap on a save at the top right corner. To change the profile picture of the new profile, tap on the pencil icon. Now here you can choose the icon from your new profile. Now here we select the icon from the Jurassic Park. Here we select this. Now tap the save button at the top right corner to save your new Netflix profile. Now you can see profile ad. Tap on a manage profile and you can find the profile on your device. So quite easy to create a new profile on your Netflix app. That's it. Please like it, share it.